Yeah. Wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm a big stepper, underground methods. Top-notch hoes get the most, not the lesser. Straight terror, product of your errors. Pushing culture, baby, got that pattern you can measure. Trendsetter, the one who get the weather. Swerving while I bump it, pass it better. Yeah, rolling through the city with the big dogs. Fuck the laws, loyal with me, we ain't got a cow. Silly on silent with the product in the well loud. That's how you make the money pop for everyone involved. And if you don't deserve a cut, then we gon' cut them out. My barber got me looking proper every single time. Fresh bread, getting fitted on that top bread. No, you ain't walking out alive, smoking what we on. And you know I got it poured for the ones who gone. R.I.P.'s in your memory, we carry on. When I die, then will I bury me, not what I want. Put my body, put my ashes in the river, y'all. That's how we know it, that the flow about to carry on. See, immortality's a fallacy, I prove 'em wrong. That's how the family gon' carry me the way beyond. Anything you've ever known, anything you've done. They ask me how you get like this, how you live like this, why you worry about it, get up on my dick, get up out the way, what you think this is, we ain't worry about it, why she skirt up with it, ask me how you get like this, how you live like this, why you worry about it, get up on my dick, get up out the way, what you think this is, we ain't worry about you, watch me skirt the whip, yeah, swerving, moving to the money like it's urgent, hands on God, so I'm in it like a surgeon. The skin color like the bourbon, worldwide sign and we face close curtains. I hear you, nothing ever certain. Only thing that's promised is that promises are broken. Yeah, so we find and waste the conflict. Only thing I'm breaking is her back with emotions. Yeah, baby girl bring out the goodie, stuck it in inside the hoodie. Now we turning out your buggy. Yeah, it's food I used to fight the bullies. Now I'm fighting with the law. I guess some things don't leave me fully. They try and push me, then they try and pull me. Better when I budge. If you got it, then just call my bookie. Got my bookie taking back. Profits as a profit when you know it's coming next. Like, ooh.